Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're facing this issue where you notice that your FPS in Roblox is capped, it basically has a limit, doesn't go above that limit for some reason, you can follow up with me in this video because I'm going to show you exactly how can you unlock your FPS on Roblox. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, tap on your search box in the bottom left corner right there and just search for run. And tap on enter or OK, or open this program right here. Now from here, make sure to have percentage sign, app data, and then percentage sign, and then tap on OK. Just like that. Now from here, you need to go ahead and tap on app data in the bottom, or in the top, I mean right here. Now from here, tap on local. Open that folder. Basically you find multiple folders here. Just locate the Roblox one. Should be anywhere right here. Okay, here it is. Go ahead and open the Roblox folder, and then here go ahead and tap on global basic settings. Global basic settings, that one right there. Go ahead and tap on, or right click on it and then tap on edit. Once you right click and tap on edit, you get this little file right here that you will need to edit. As you can see, there is something that says frame rate cap. Next to it there is 9999. Originally, once you open this folder, it's going to be -1, and you need to change it same way I did to 99999. So I'm just gonna delete 1 and the minus and then type this, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna tap on file in the top left side of this little window, and then I'm gonna tap on save to save this change right here. And just like that, once I'm done, I can quit everything and basically go play Roblox the same way I used to, and this time I have unlocked FPS on Roblox. That's how you do it, guys. If this video was useful and has helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.